Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to get animated profile effects on Discord Nitro. So basically you just need to go to the DMs right here so that this will pop up. So there's the friends, Nitro, and shop. Now just go click on shop, and once you're here you will see all of these stuff. So they are basically some paid stuff, but you'll get a discount on depends on your Discord Nitro subscription. You can have all this for this for $99, and here also for almost like $5, and here it costs $8. And but when you scroll all the way down, you will see the free ones that comes with your Nitro subscription. So you can use this. So as you can see, I'm currently using this now, the booster, like right here. Also, if you want to do some avatar decorations like this, let's say I want to use this, just click on that, click on use now, and boom, it's out there. Click on apply, and that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.